We're taking a closer look at the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350 upright vacuum featuring powerful suction, swivel steering, LED headlights, and versatile tools for effortless whole home cleaning. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350 upright vacuum, crevice tool, dusting brush, pet tool, vacuum hose, handle, and user manual. How to use? Before using the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350, assemble the handle by securely attaching it to the main vacuum body and fastening it according to the included instructions. Attach any onboard accessories to their storage holders, then plug in the vacuum and recline the handle to begin cleaning. Glide the vacuum smoothly across carpets or hard floors using the swivel steering, and switch to the included tools for above-floor cleaning when needed. After cleaning, remove the dust cup with the easy release latch, empty the collected dirt into a trash bin, and reinstall it before storing the vacuum. Smart features? The powerful suction efficiently removes dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors with consistent cleaning performance. It provides deep cleaning across multiple floor types, helping keep your home cleaner with fewer passes. The advanced swivel steering allows the vacuum to maneuver smoothly around furniture, corners, and other obstacles with minimal effort. Its enhanced control makes navigating tight spaces easier, providing a more comfortable and efficient cleaning experience. Bright LED headlights illuminate dust, pet hair, and hidden debris under furniture and in low-light areas for more thorough cleaning. They help ensure you don't miss dirt in dark corners, along baseboards, or beneath beds and sofas. The anti-tangle brush roll is designed to reduce hair wrap, making it ideal for homes with pets or long hair. It maintains consistent cleaning performance while minimizing the time and effort needed for brush roll maintenance. The HEPA filtration system captures fine dust, allergens, and other microscopic particles, helping improve indoor air quality while cleaning. It traps contaminants inside the vacuum, reducing the amount of dust released back into your home. The included onboard tools make it easy to clean upholstery, stairs, furniture, curtains, and other hard-to-reach areas. With quick access to the attachments, you can switch between floor and above-floor cleaning without interrupting your workflow. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350 upright vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350 upright vacuum. See you at the next one.